Please let us introduce our product, VMF Reactor. This is a special bioreactor commercialized and developed exclusively for the cell culture being sensitive to the sharing, and the purpose is for animal cell culture and the cell culture for tissue engineering. As for characteristics, it is different from conventional rotating bioreactor, and it has special overall impeller which moves up and down. The flow action produced by special overall impeller can accomplish the uniformization, mixture of culture, dissolve oxygen and substrate in the culture vessel with controlling the stress and physical stimulus. By combining up and down stroke and migration velocity, it is possible for this reactor to control exquisitely the sharing action to the cell. You can install 500 ml 1.5, 3, 5, 10 liter glass vessel, 10 liter single-use bag, in addition to 500 ml 1 liter, 3 liter single-use bottle respectively. And also dissolved oxygen pH can be controlled by dedicated controller SBox 10-alpha 2. It has analog or digital output, and cell culture status can be monitored and recorded by inputting to the data logger being equipped as standard. We also have 5 ml single-use bioreactor of connected 4-vessel devices, HID 4x4. This device can be connected and controlled of 4, 8, 12, 16, and applicable for cleaning. This reactor can easily change parameters and control production according to the purpose by dedicated controller SBox 02. Effectively connecting the reactor simulation and excellent CFD technology we have with the actual result of culture by this equipment, grasping the effective scalable factor on commercial production. We developed and commercialized 50-liter scale single-use bioreactor VMF 5O SUB and 200-liter scale VMF 200 SUB, and we supplied those equipment as purely domestic single-use bioreactor to the market. Desktop VMF reactor can apply the common bioreactor body from 500 ml to 10 liter. Can self-standing VMF reactor can apply the common bioreactor body from 50 liter to 200 liter. All series of our bioreactor are applicable to GMP validation, and we can realize safe, relief, and effective system up following customers' URLs. Basic principle at this market is customization in order to meet any kind of requirement. We developed and commercialized continuous culture system, CSS II, and it shall be used in totally closed system at grade B. We also perform completely closed system development such as low temperature incubator model LSI 1490, concentrated system for later process. We, bioproject department, meet any kind of requirement from customer. First of all, please consult us anyway.